Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to recover the gold from these connectors. There's two connectors cut it in two, and this coming from a machine from a machine used in medical healthcare. A friend of mine just sent it to me, so what I will do, I will try to remove the plastic and fiber, just leave the only the pins and put them in this jar. Then I'll add nitric acid, diluted nitric acid, which is like about 9 or 10% nitric acid, but it works pretty well. Now I'll remove the plastic, like I said. So then I will see if these pins are just filled a little bit with gold, or is more gold than what was gold that I expect to be. Usually there's more gold in this kind of machine coming from the military or medical machines, computers and stuff like that. So these are the pins in the jar. So now I'm removing everything from them, like everything plastic and fiber. Now I'm adding the nitric acid. Like I said, diluted. It takes a little bit time, a few minutes, till the reaction starts, and then the pins will start to dissolve. Well, the acid will dissolve the base metal. This is an interesting color. This is about next day, I think. It's an interesting blue color, so I suppose there could be some silver, but I'm not sure about that, so I have to check it. This is the last day where all the pins are dissolved, so everything in the jar is just gold, and you can see some this gold are still floating, well, not floating, but going very fast to the bottom of the jar, because it's just very fine gold, so it takes a while till it goes down. So after that, this gold, I'll remove the liquid, and this gold will pass to the next process, which is the refining this gold. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like. Thank you very much.